watch your feet. This part of the trail is a little bit more difficult, but most of the hike coming out here to Canyon Falls is actually quite easy. This is one of the bucket list hikes here in the Keweenaw. You're not going to want to miss it because this part of the North Country Trail is one of the most beautiful around. It's a very narrow gorge that the Sturgeon River passes through with several really beautiful waterfalls, including one that is just so spectacular you can see it in about 10 minutes from a well-manicured parking area along 41, and it is just such a cool hike. Families, kids, basically anybody can come here, even adventurers like me, because the hike does get quite a lot more difficult, and if you stay on the North Country Trail, believe it or not, it goes for thousands of miles in both directions. So this is one for adventurers, families, visitors, really anybody who wants to see some cool scenery. The colors are starting to change here in the Keweenaw, so you're going to want to come out here to Canyon Falls really soon because it's going to be in peak form very, very quickly here come fall. So let's get to it. It's a bit longer video and there's a lot to see. Hope you enjoy.